There's this report from the Center for Audit Quality about the 150-hour rule. My favorite topic, David. I'll pull this up on the screen here. The headline on the press release is "Significant Barriers Deter Students from Pursuing a Degree in Accounting," according to CAQ report. Again, the CAQ is the Center for Audit Quality. I want to pull up the full report to show you some charts here. So they surveyed 1,800 students and recent graduates between October 2022 and May 2023. They did in-depth interviews with business students and recent accounting graduates. Here's a chart that says reasons for not choosing accounting as a major. This is among non-accounting majors. And among the top 5 results, we have don't want to pursue 150 hours for CPA and can't afford 150 hours, need to start earning. And it was a major reason for 29% of those students and 25% of those students respectively. It was at least part of the reason for 61% of the students. Or no, sorry, 57%. So looking at this chart, over half of these students said it was either a major reason or part of the reason was the 150-hour rule to become a CPA. And then it's even more for Black and Hispanic non-accounting students.
So it's finally real data that we've been saying, where does anybody survey the people that drop out? It's finally being done now. And we have the real data.
Yeah, if you want to attract more non-accounting students into accounting, remove 150 and you'll have a significant impact on like over half of them. It might change their mind.
And based on the PCAOB report, it's not like the increase in education is helping improve quality of the industry or the audits.
Right.
In theory, that should all be getting better.
Yeah, if the 150-hour rule was increasing audit quality, it wouldn't be going the wrong direction. So among those planning to pursue accounting, the cost of the additional classes to reach the 150 credit hours of education is a major obstacle for 31% and is at least a contributing obstacle for 75%. So 75% said the 150, the cost of the education, is an obstacle. And for about a third, it's a significant obstacle. And additional time, same thing. 74% say it's an obstacle or a major obstacle, with 20% saying it's a major obstacle. So that's among people who are already majoring in accounting. So, I mean, yeah, this to me is real strong evidence that it has a negative impact on the number of accounting grads and that students are switching out to other majors.
And at the end of this, do they make any conclusions as far as like the impact this will have on the audit industry? Do they take this data they have and project it out to the future?
I don't know. I didn't see any conclusions in the report.
Okay.
I mean, it just identifies the reasons.
Okay.
I think that the problem is this is like such a touchy issue, is that like, no, even though 80% of the profession, in my estimation, is against 150 or supports an alternative that doesn't require as much education. For example, swapping that extra year of education for a year of experience, right? Going back to offering 120 plus 2 years of experience. The vast majority of accountants, CPAs, are in favor of that, but the leadership is not. And it's because the leadership put in place these rules and doesn't want to admit that they made a mistake. That's my theory.